So how would you solve this quadratic equation using the quadratic formula? This is what we'll be looking at in this very lesson. If you have not subscribed, kindly do so for more exciting episodes. You know that the quadratic formula is of the form So to solve this equation using this quadratic formula, what we are going to do is to identify our A, our B, and then our C from the quadratic equation. So with this equation, our A is the coefficient of x squared, which is what? 3. Our B is the coefficient of x, which is minus 4. And then our C is the constant, which is what? Minus 1. Now, once we have this, we are just going to plug in. We are just going to substitute this into this formula. Now our B is minus 4, so we have minus what? 4 plus or minus. Our B is still minus 4, so we have minus 4. All of this is what? Squared. Then we have our minus. So we have the constant 4. Our A is still 3, so we have 3 times our C is minus 1, so we have minus 1. And all of this is over 2. Our A is what? 3. Now once we have this, we perform some small algebra. This times this will give us positive 4. Then we have plus or minus. This is going to give us positive 16 minus. This will give us plus what? 12. And all of this is over what? 2 times 3 will give us 6. So we have our x is equal to 4 plus or minus 16 times 12 will give us what? 28. And all of this is over 6. Since we are having plus or minus, we can split this to have two solutions. So we have our first x1 is equal to 4 plus root of 28 all over what? 6. And then we have our second solution, which is s2. We have our x2 is equal to 4, and then we have minus root of 28 all over 6. As easy as that. So this is how we use the quadratic formula to solve a quadratic equation. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.